This is Xavier with Modern Exterior here in Waukesha, Wisconsin today. Today we're just looking at the soffit and fascia on this garage here. The client called in and said the soffit wood, the paint on it was starting to sort of chip away, and there was some wet spots and like water staining underneath the paint. And then the fascia metal specifically is looking really old. You could definitely see that the paint is definitely starting to chip, and you could see that water staining. Now, touching it with my hands and looking from the inside, it was determined that this is probably an older problem, water coming through specifically. And you can actually see that in the fascia metal, there is some deterioration, and on the shingle up there, it seems to be chipped as well. But again, it's dry right now. It's just sort of an aesthetic curb appeal problem right now. And if there is any actual rotted wood, which I've already checked out and there's not, but if there is, we can replace that rotted wood and then put the new soffit metal over that. And then, you know, as you can see up here, we have the soffit vent sort of right over there. If there's any more ventilation that's needed, we will cut into the wood before we install the metal, and then make sure that the ventilation increments are correct beforehand. So yeah, that's the bare minimum, but we already pointed out that the fascia is a problem. So the best bang for your buck, and to make sure everything is squared away and you don't have any problems in the future, the recommendation and what we're gonna do for this client specifically is both the soffit metal and trim coil for the fascia.